Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning point analysis videos on Friday 20th of April with me, which market analyst at Hantec Markets. We're going to look at euro dollar, which has just mildly ticked lower again. I mean, this sort of drift move higher that we saw in the last sort of week or so, couple of weeks, has rolled over in the last couple of days. Couple of negative candles now building, and you're back towards this big this big uptrend, which is the 12-month uptrend back to April 2017 that got tested at the beginning of April. But I mean, got really quite bad, seriously tested, but just hung on, and the market sort of rallied. But again, it's rolling over, and I think the 23 support, it's 123 big figure, I think is the level that we need to look out for. It's sort of comprised the lows of sort of most of last week. And that is a level that I think the market will be looking out for. But you look at these momentum indicators; they are so neutral, so neutral. And the fact is, the stochastics have just rolled over again. So again, it reflects on the fact that the market is probably going nowhere. I'm still expecting that this uptrend will be breached at some stage, and sort of as this range continues to sort of play forward. Moving averages are flattening off, and it just all sort of looks very neutral, doesn't it? And you're not getting any real traction either way. You've got this hourly chart, which sort of run of higher lows has now been broken. You're sort of back below the 23.45 level of which is a pivot, and again that pivot is now becoming a base of resistance. So you're sort of looking at the 23 figure support. As I said on the daily chart, 23 figure support is first key level really, but looking at these sort of hourly momentum indicators, there is a negative drift going on certainly now, and 60 seems the limit on the RSI. Neutral will be considered a level again that the bulls sort of start to lose a bit of impetus as well. So yeah, there is a slightly more negative configuration sort of building, but I don't expect this to be a sort of a serious move to the downside on euro dollar. As I said, 23 figure initially supportive, and that would open 22.10 if that were to be the case. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.